In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel pump assembly on this Volkswagen Jetta TDI wagon. This is going to be located underneath the back seat. Let's get into it. Now I take the cover off. The negative terminal is right here. We're going to use a 10mm socket. Loosen that up. Pull that off, out of the way. In the back seat on the passenger side, you want to grab underneath the seat, pick up, and we're going to flip this over so we can access underneath. There's a carpet right here. We're going to pull that back out of the way. You can use a bungee cord if you need to. I'm going to pop this cover off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath. Clips in, pull that up. Now using a straight blade screwdriver, just going to pop this connector up. There's a little lock tab there. With that popped up, then we'll just push down, disconnect the connector, slide that out of the way. Now we're going to take the fuel lines off. We're going to use a rag so that we don't get sprayed with any fuel. Just put the rag over. What you're going to do is push down on the little lock tab on the line. And pull it up. And then I'll do the same with the other one. Push down on the lock tab. It's easier if they push the line down first and push the tab in and raise it up. Pull that to the side. Now, there is a special tool that you can use to release the lock ring, or you can use a brass punch to prevent sparks, and a hammer. Just loosen it up. You put a rag over in case any of the fuel is splashing. Doesn't take much. Take that off and grab the pump. Just going to let it drain a little bit. If you can tip it, try to get some of that fuel out. Make it easier. And take the seal, pull that up, slide that over. Pull it up. Just want to tip it a little bit. So that you can get the level sensor out. Just have a drain pan and you can pull it out. On the new pump, we're going to install the float to the level sensor. Take the float, just line this up right here, and then just carefully push down till it locks in place. Now we just want to take a rag, clean rag, and just wipe any residual dirt or debris from the area where the seal is going to sit. That looks good. Now take the new pump, slide the level in the float, and before we push this down all the way, we're going to put the seal on. Go around the top of the pump. Push that down into the tank. It goes all the way around. That looks good. This little tab is going to go over here towards the back of the vehicle. That lines up there. Take the lock ring. Get this lined up. And if you have the tool, you want to tighten that down. If not, just use the punch. Tap it down, put a rag over. That's good. There is little marks on the lock ring. For this vehicle, there's 2 marks left. It's not going to go completely all the way down. So keep that in mind. You can take a look at that before you take it apart. All right, that's good. Take the fuel lines, re-secure the fuel lines, wipe away any residual, take the connector, connect the connector, push down on the tab, then this cover, there's an arrow pointing towards the front of the vehicle, and just lock it down in place. Put the carpet over. Fold the seat down. Then you can go connect the battery. Take the negative side, connect the terminal. And tighten it down. Snug that down. And close the cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.